Okay guys, I'm about to go in here and get a campfire mocha. It doesn't matter what season it is, like this gonna be like the only drink that I'll order from here, but I'm about to go in this Caribou coffee. I haven't tasted it yet, but I already know it's good. Went ahead and got milk chocolate today. I usually get white chocolate, but they made this fast. It was a lady before me, but I got my stuff before she even got hers. I'm like, it's just good every time. Like, this is pretty much the only coffee I'll drink. I'm getting so tired of seeing people with newborn babies with like t-shirts on. Like, I don't care if it's warm out here. Like, I feel like when it's a newborn baby, you're still supposed to kind of bundle them up. At least put on like a long sleeve shirt. Like, I don't know, people just are not the same, you know. It's just sad to see how some kids are like taken care of. It's Friday and I kind of want to go out. Not even go out, but just like, you know, go eat somewhere or something like that, because I rarely do things like that. But it's hard because it's like I'll always cook and just have like food at home. It's crazy because now that I have a child, it's like my room, I mean, not my room, but my house actually gets messy, or it's actually something to like clean up now. Like, I need to fix his bed. I have a few dishes to wash, so I need to do that. And he likes to keep this big pillow in here on the couch, but I'm just gonna let him keep it in here because he like fell asleep on it yesterday and it was so cute. I'm like, this boy. And then my room is a mess too, because it's hard to like get over here and fix the bed because it's like back in that corner now, so it makes it more difficult to fix the bed. I'm not gonna climb into my bed with clothes on, so I'm gonna have to just wait till I take a shower and stuff to fix my bed. I should have just did it this morning, but I didn't. I really like our rock collection. I know y'all are like, girl, it's just rocks, but yeah, I like them. I feel like we got some nice little varieties of rocks. One of them is like really shiny. It looks better in certain lighting. Like, you can really see the little, y'all see that? So I thought that was cool, that it's like, you know, reflective. I clean up this entryway because it's looking crazy. And I'm just gonna do like a quick little, you know, clean up. I'm not trying to go too deep right now, but I need to do a few things. Matter of fact, tonight I'm gonna make this like a pampering myself type night, because I can really just neglect my own little, you know, pampering stuff. I'm not gonna say hygiene because I take like plenty of showers, but when it comes down to like just relaxing in the bath and soaking and like, you know, lighting a candle and stuff like that, I can kind of slip. But yeah, I definitely will take like 3 showers a day. So it's not hygiene, but it's just like, you know, the whole relaxation stuff. I bought some nail polish, so I want to like polish my nails. I think I've been putting that off because I need to wash my dishes first. And I know like dishes will always need to be washed, but I just wanted to wash the few that are in there before I even mess with my nails, because I know they're gonna chip fast anyway. Like, anytime you don't get gel polish, your nails are just gonna chip super fast. But Yeah, I like doing that when I'm like, you know, relaxing. So I got these two colors so that I can like overlap this with the glitter. I was just gonna get this, but I was like, if I just get this, it's not even gonna show up right. So I just got both. But yeah, I'm about to do a quick little, you know, clean up. And yeah, let me set this camera up. Y'all see how dirty this is? This is exactly why I don't wear shoes in the house and just like take them off right here in this little high traffic entryway, because no, like this cannot be in my carpet. So this was actually the last one, so I'm just throwing this entire box out now. And I like to spray down some bleach on, you know, stuff like this, just to, you know, mentally have it clean or sanitized. I'm not going in too deep with like a real mop. I can't stand real mops. Because they just are annoying, like trying to wring them out and all that. So I love this little Swiffer. I think I got this for like $11 a few years ago. I'm just letting the floor dry right here before I leave back out, but I'm gonna leave back out because it's too nice of a day outside to just stay inside. I'll probably go for a walk, honestly, because that's what I want to do when there's nothing else to really do. I want to just, you know, focus on exercising because your girl loves to eat. And I know, like, if I don't stay active, I can kind of gain weight at this point. I didn't used to do this. Like, my metabolism was A1, but now that I'm like 36, it's caught up with me. So I can't just, you know, eat whatever I want and not work out anymore. So I want to at least try to stay active and just take walks a couple of days out of the week at least. My job really doesn't require me to be so active, so it's like I have to really carve out time to just focus on that one thing because I have a driving job. So it's like I'm sitting down and I do get in and out of the car, but still, like, I know that I'm not getting as many steps as I need to be getting. So that's why I try to just take actual walks. I am going to have to put on sneakers, though, instead of the boots I was wearing earlier. The floor is still damp, so I'm trying to, like, let that dry. I like this little rug that I got. I got that from Ross. I always get my little rugs from Ross, even like my larger rugs. I think this was like $8 or something, and I really liked it. I used to have more rugs in my house, but I'm kind of starting to just like the minimal look more. This pillow is really annoying me laying here, so I'm just gonna like stand it up so that he can, you know, pull it back out when he gets ready. But also it could be like out of the way, or I won't have to keep looking at it looking super sloppy on the couch. Little stuff like that can like bother me, and that's how I know that I'm really a Virgo, because
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Hey guys, so I just randomly decided to come to another thrift store. I'm going back to my favorite one. Hopefully I can find something cute in here. I guess I'm gonna look back at the clothing, but I don't know. You never know what you're gonna find in there. So it's not even worth trying to really plan what you're gonna get.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so y'all know I'm always right here ready to throw stuff in the washer when I come from the thrift store, but I had to show y'all what I got. I didn't get much, but I did find 2 items that I liked. I tried on some other ones, but they didn't fit because your girl is too thick. But I told my sister that I wanted to find a denim jacket, and I actually found one. I got this cropped denim jacket. It looks like this. It fits good. It doesn't necessarily button, but when I lose a little bit of pounds, then I feel like it'll fit perfectly. It is a small, and I'll wear a medium. It's funny that it's this brand. I used to get a magazine called Elle Magazine. So I wonder if this has any relation to that, or if it's just a coincidence. But yeah, I got this and I like it. Like, it seems like pretty decent quality. And then I got this sweatshirt. and it says kinda sus. It doesn't have a zipper, so I'm not crazy about that, but it was like $4, so it's fine. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna cook tonight. I just ran to the grocery store too, so I picked up some more rice cakes, bananas, grapes. This time I got purple and green grapes. And then I found this sausage. I've never seen this flavor before, so I got this. And what else did I get? Diced onions, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's everything. I didn't really get too much because I didn't need that much. But yeah, I'm about to go wash out the tub. They didn't have my apple cinnamon one, so I had to just get the caramel flavor, but hopefully they're just as good. I'm still over here playing Property Brothers, y'all. Like, I'm really kind of addicted to this game, I see. I'm on level 520 now. I don't have mini games on the iPad. Maybe I need to get like different games and I won't be so stuck on that one. But yeah, I'm about to go clean out this tub. And I tried to call my mother and see if she wanted me to come get my son, but she just declined the call, so I'm guessing they're asleep. It is his nap time because it's 5:40. He usually takes a nap at like 4, so I'm guessing they're asleep. But I mean, I know they're okay because like she hit the button to decline the call, so yeah. But anyway, let me go in here and clean out this tub. I hate cleaning out the tub. Like, I hate having to bend over and like reach the back corners of the tub, but whatever, I have to. I tried to contact this company and ask them if they wanted to send me like an electric tub cleaner, but they didn't reply, I guess because I don't have enough subscribers yet. So they tried to play your girl out, but yeah, it was worth a try. I knew they probably wouldn't, but yeah, if anybody's watching and y'all work with a company like that, let me get one of those because I hate I hate cleaning out my tub. Like, it used to be one of my favorite things, but it's like as I got older, my little things that I like and dislike have switched, because I used to absolutely hate washing dishes. Like, anybody that knew me knew that I hated washing dishes, but now I actually kind of like it. Or not like it, but you know, it doesn't bother me as much. So yeah, but anyway, let me stop trying to stall and go in here and wash out this tub.